Hey guys, it's Uncle Chris and I'm back with a quick video. I just wanted to show you something I had left over from a food pantry run. These have been in the freezer for a while. Some strawberries, got some orange juice, banana I bought, and the honey I bought. I want to show you how you make a real quick smoothie, okay?
Alright, this looks very interesting.
Got Jay, there's my cameraman again.
I am Uncle Chris's nephew, if you guys did not know. So, there you go.
All right. Now, we're going to put the strawberries in here. I've already got a banana in there.
Ooh, those are smelling mighty divine.
I know, even though they were frozen.
Ooh, just get a good looking whiff at them. Look at that banana.
Yeah, banana. We're going to put a half a cup. Okay, a cup. Of honey.
Whoopsie. Sorry.
Didn't mean to, but hey, you know what? It's all right.
The strawberry package is hiding in shame.
We put enough liquid just to come to the top of where the fruit is, okay?
Alrighty, let's see how this leads.
This is going to be noisy.
Vroom! Vroom, vroom, vroom!
All right. And we have, all right.
Alrighty. Now, take a look at that wonderful, magnificent masterpiece.
Strawberry goodness. For you too, nephew?
Yeah.
And there you have a very simple smoothie that's healthy.
And there's still a little bit more to spare.
Oh, yeah.
And we still have leftover ingredients. As you see, there's a little bit more orange juice, plenty more honey. We have some more bananas. And we also have some strawberries.
Yeah, we do. All right. Till next time, guys. Like, comment.
And smash that subscribe button, whether it's even with your blender or maybe it's just with your cup. But smash that subscribe button, like, and comment. It really wouldn't hurt, and even though it is optional, it would really help a lot. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.